Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to make sure that you guys are getting some sort of edge lighting working on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Now this will work if you have the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. And you can see here how this one is working. This one is the normal native edge lighting that comes on these devices, but a lot of people have mentioned in my past videos where I'm talking about edge lighting for all of these devices, where some people are mentioning that it just does not work. Now, I do want to mention that I do have a video right up over here that is suggested that is talking about if it's not working, here's the possible solutions to fix it, where I'm talking everything between making sure it's not so transparent, making sure it's not thin and it's thick, as well as making sure that your notifications is not turned off inside of the normal settings, because if you turn off notifications in the settings, it'll also turn off the ability of edge lighting to also work. Now the nice thing about this video is that I can 100% ensure that every single person who watches this tutorial, you will all have edge lighting working by the end of this video. Now all you'd have to do is click over into the Play Store, and then on the very top of the Play Store, search for edge lighting. Now there's a whole bunch of different applications you can use that is titled edge lighting, but the one that I want to highly suggest is this one right here. It is made by Edge Design. Now there is a edge lighting light version right here, which is free, but this one right up over here is $2. I paid for it, and I just highly suggest you might as well get the paid version, because you're going to get everything out of it as possible, and also for me to ensure that this will work on your device. Now once the application is downloaded and installed, you are able to open this up. There's going to be a couple different screens talking about permissions. And once you enable the permissions, it's a way for this application to notify you when you do get notifications to do all the different edge lighting that this thing is able to do. And there is a lot more customization with this one than is with the default edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy devices. So with this one, you have a battery saver, so if it does fall below the 15%, you are able to have this thing deactivated and turned off. So it's not taking your battery, just giving you little notifications. There's also an auto lock feature, screen brightness, or I should say how bright the little light is going to be, as well as a reminder, and as well as the applications that I at least turned on as of now, along with their corresponding colors. Now here is all the different settings for when the phone is face up. Now when I'm talking about the faces up, that also means that the screen is off and your phone is flat. Now when the screen is off and your phone is flat, now you're able to receive your little edge lighting that's kind of coming in. And again, mine is set for the 10 seconds, so this will do this for about 10 seconds, and then it's gonna just kind of turn the screen right back on, and then now I'm able to kind of get into my phone. And as you can see here, this is where if you had the auto lock feature, then it just turned right back off. Now the big differences between this application of edge lighting and then the normal default one that is pre-installed on the phone is that this one will only work when the phone is flat, also when the screen is off. Now the normal edge lighting does work if it's at really any angle. Also, if my screen is on, you saw at the very beginning of the video, it was able to work. Now this is where you can play with the animation duration, if you want it to be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15. Here is the thickness of the line, if you want it thick, medium, or large. And then this is how you're able to change what it looks like. So if you want to have a little message notification come through, here's the little light run. You also have stars. This one is going to be kind of like a smooth in and out. Here's the frame that I was using. You also are able to have a balloon jet up. Here is the waves and a color run. So for now, I'm going to keep it as frame, and then here is the face down notification stuff. Now in this menu for the face down, you do want to turn it on right here. If you have this thing turned off, it will not work when it is face down. You do again have that animation duration. Here's that line thickness again, but you have 3 different options if you want it to be on the left side, the right side, or both sides. But with this one here, you just have to remember what these kind of look like from the previous screen. So if you're thinking of maybe color run, you want to go right over here and you want to check out what color run looks like, and then that's what it's going to look like when it's down. Now for me, I'm just going to do the frame, and we're going to move right back over here, and let's go again over into the frame run. And so then this way it's going to kind of move around for me. And then this is your application list. So any application that you choose, if within this list, this will definitely work with those. So definitely go down maybe for your Facebook, you want to go through maybe your Gmail, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, messages and Messenger and everything else. And so now let me show you what this thing looks like when this one is face down. So now the lights are off. I just have a little bit of light coming in from my little monitor, but this is how you'll be able to see what it looks like when their phone is upside down. So you can definitely see that you got yourself a notification and you're able to change what does it look like, how is it going to illuminate, what is the color of the illumination. This next one that you're going to see because the screen is on is the actual default edge lighting, which is technically the one that I like. As you can see, it is working, but I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. If your phone is on where the screen is lit, or if it is not flat, you will definitely not get the normal little edge lighting that comes from this application. But a lot of the times when you are getting notifications, your phone is usually flat, usually the screen is off, because if you're looking at your phone, you can definitely see that you are getting a notification. This is just letting you know when you are stepped away from your phone, hey, you got a notification. Now, even though the main default Samsung Edge lighting is a little bit different than this application I showed you today, at least I know for a fact that 100% of all of you who have ever had an issue with it not working, I know for a fact with this $2 app, or maybe even possibly that free one, but definitely with this $2 app here, you are able to make sure that this thing is working for you. And that is my main concern, is anybody who has mentioned and commented, hey, this is still not working for me. Now I know for a fact that this one will. So have fun with this application. Write your comments below this video if this is something you guys have liked, if this thing is something that's helped you guys out. Also make sure you guys hit on that like button, and don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here on the very bottom left hand side. And outside of that, make sure you guys share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, and I'll see you guys later.